serious! What the are you
almost 5 minutes, we'll be fine.
God!
Oh my goodness.
What are you f***ing doing?
Behave like the clear-headed woman you are, I will ask Sarandon to give you 2 black eyes for the one I took away. You did not even thank me for that. Now go to sleep. Naive's eyes widened indignantly. At least she did not look on the point of tears. But Elaine slid
What the? That? Ouch! What the? That? Ouch!
That your gut is out of balance, but Align Probiotic can help. Aligned probiotic and digestive support is a daily use with a unique strain to help relieve occasional diarrhea. It's the #1 doctor-recommended brand, so when you feel the signs, it's time to try.
make a U-turn to stay on State Road 312. Hard brake detected.
I have to do this for you. This guy's gonna kill us.
That is designed to basically build.
So he needs to do 100 to speed up to go to
land.
where?
Planning on doing, as the Prime Minister indicated, is
In 1 kilometer. Use
Whoa!
the right
He has a car.
to Highway 403 west toward Hamilton.
It's the car right
or
there.
have people build those homes based on kind of any criteria they want. So what they're looking to do is say, okay, we're trying to advance the mass timber industry. Let's build some mass timber homes on government land or some factory-built homes and so on. So they're trying to accomplish a couple things at once.
I'm so used to winning, right? Fucking with my what do?
Are you serious? Damn, bro. Talking about sorry, but if I would have hit you, you wouldn't have been sorry.
Call cops, call fire department.
Turn around. You're a bro.
Oh no, you're going the wrong way. That's crazy. Someone needs a DUI today.